Third class science, sixth lesson, parts of a plant. Okay, now today we will revision sixth lesson, parts of a plant. Fifth lesson revision already completed. Yes, here say children, plant diagram. Yes, you can draw, you can practice this plant diagram and parts of a plant. You can learn these total parts of the plant: bud, flower, branches, fruit, leaf, stem, root part, shoot part. You can learn these spellings and practice plant diagram. Okay, next page number 48, oral questions. Choose the correct answer. Okay, plants like wheat, rice and onion have a tap root or fibrous roots. They have a fibrous root. Next, the root, stem, branch of a plant fixes the plant in the soil. Root of a plant fixes the plant in the soil. Next, carrots, radish and beetroot are examples of root which store food. You can practice, you can revise these oral questions, read once. Okay children. Next, page number 51. Tick the correct answer. In addition to the stem, branches, leaves and buds, the shoot of a plant bears flowers and roots, fruits and roots, flowers and fruits. Here what children? The shoot part. What is the shoot part here? Branches, stem, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. These are the upper, okay, ground, above the ground. These is called a shoot part. Okay. Option C. Next, we eat the leaves of this plant: potato, tomato, spinach. We eat the spinach leaves. Next, the stem of this plant is soft, green, weak. Neem, coconut. Neem is a tree. Yes, it is a very strong tree. Coconut also tree. It is very long and strong. Next, money plant. It is a very weak and soft and green. Yes. C. Option C, money plant. The leaf of a plant is called its bathroom, kitchen, bedroom. Kitchen. Why it's called kitchen? The leaf part is a preparing a food. It's called kitchen. Most fruits have these inside them: beets, seeds. Fruits have inside of the seeds. Next, match the statement with the correct picture. B-bit match the statement with the correct picture. Here see children, it fixes the plant in the soil. Which picture here? Seeds, stem, leaf, flower, root. Which part is fix the soil? Root part is fixes the plant in the soil. Next, it takes water from the root of the leaf. Stem. Okay na? It takes stem. Stem takes water from the root. Next, third one. It makes food from the plant. Leaf. Leaf is make food from the plant. Fourth one. It changes into a fruit. Flower is changes to fruit. It grows into a new plant. Seeds grows into a new plant. Can you understand? Can you keep this? Can you match this? You have to match your textbook and learn these statements. Next, page number 52. In which figure are the parts of the plant correctly labeled? You can read which one is the correct labeled plant. You can read and tick this tick. Okay, figure A, figure B, figure C. Next, read the clues and unscramble the letters to get the names of the parts of a plant. Write the names on the blanks. Here given some clues, unscramble words. You can read these statements and you can write here correct word. Okay. It grows above the ground. Stem grows above the ground. Yes. T-E-M. Stem. Okay. It makes the food from the plant. You know, L-E-A-F. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf makes the food from the plant. Next. Most flowers grow into these. Yes, most flowers grow into fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Okay. It grows below the ground. Root grows the R-O-O-T. Root. Okay. Here tap root is found in Which plant? Bean plant. Bean plant have a taproot. Balsam plant have a taproot, and mustard plant have a taproot. Mustard. Okay. Next, weed the stem of. Weed the stem of sugarcane. Yes, sugarcane weed stem. Yes, sugarcane. Next, potato. Potato also stem. Potato stem. Okay, we can eat potato. It's not fruit. It's a stem part. Okay, you can fill in your textbook and practice, children. Next, answer these questions. How is the root of a plant different from its shoot? Root is the part of a plant which grows below the ground, and whereas shoot is the part of a plant which grows above the ground. Root grows below the ground, shoot grows above the ground. Yes. Next, write two functions of the root. The root fixes the plant in the soil. Okay, they also help the plant to take in water and salts from the soil. These are the two functions. Next, third question. What are the uses of the stem? The stem holds the plant upright and supports its branches. It carries water to the leaves. It also carries the food made by the leaves to different parts of a plant. Next, fourth one. What does a seed need to grow into a plant? A seed needs enough air, water, warmth to grow. Okay, these are the 4 question and answers. I send a video. You can see the video. You can practice today 6th lesson total. Okay, children. Thank you.